Stop complaining, your part's easy. Just stay in the box and be quiet until it's time to come out. Oh, and see you there. Hey RC fans, welcome to TJsRC. Glad you're here with us today. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sick of unboxing videos. Everybody and their uncle out there is talking about the new Redcat Gen 8 Axe Edition. With that said, let's open the box. Well, would you look at that? We have our own Redcat Scout 2 Axe Edition. Haha, yeah, awesome. I'm so excited. Should have planned some elaborate unboxing video like everybody else. Nah, there's enough of those out there already. Anyways, if you're interested in what I have to say about this guy, then pull up a seat and let's take a look. Oh, goodness sakes, boxes. Stupid unboxing videos. Well, thanks so much for deciding to hang out here with us today. Obviously, you enjoy listening to me talk, or maybe you've never seen the show before, and therefore you don't know any better. If that's the case, then welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here. This is TJsRC. Here on the channel, we play with RC off-road trucks. Sometimes that means playing with them on the bench, fixing and repairing. Other times it means getting outside and exploring the world around us. So if that interests you, hit that subscribe button. But let's get back to why you're all really here. You're not here to see my pretty face. You're here to see this pretty face. This is Redcat's new Axe Edition Scout that they've got. We've got a Redcat Gen 7, so I have a little bit of experience with Redcat, but it's not with any of their new stuff. The Gen 7 has been around for quite a while, and we do have a lot of fun with that. So to have this guy here, I'm pretty excited. They did an amazing job on the appearance of this ready-to-run truck. When I got the TRX4 Bronco, I thought, wow, this thing's got lots of little details that really make it stand out. I think this is a step up as far as those external scale realistic details. There's a sticker behind the grille that has the radiator print on it, and that's already installed when you get the truck. That's so cool. You got the scale interior in there with bucket seats and a steering wheel. Comes with mirrors. I mean, that's so dang cool. They threw in a spare tire. Now granted, this coolness comes at a cost because this body is quite heavy. I haven't even had a chance to have it out on the trails yet, but I already can tell that it's going to be a very top-heavy rig. However, I really don't care. But you buy this to do some crawling, a lot of trailing, to enjoy watching it drive around. At least that's me. I sure enjoy watching the trucks drive around when I'm out trailing. Didn't mean to rant there. Back on topic, the Gen 8 here, it comes with some really cool features. One of the neat ones that you'll notice is this cool fabric top, or canvas maybe. It is removable. You just take these screws out, undo the Velcro back here, and that comes off. I think it looks good with that on there. I let my wife pick out what style sticker she wanted. She chose the gray sticker here on the side. It comes with red or white stickers also, so you can kind of set it up however you want as far as that part of the appearance goes. The bumpers on the front and back, they are seriously sturdy bumpers. Granted, I'm comparing them to the Gen 7 because I don't have the previous version of the Gen 8 here. I've just got the Gen 7. They got some seriously sturdy mounts on the bumpers also on the front and back, so that's definitely awesome. The rock sliders on here though, with these little ribs here, I feel like those are probably going to catch on stuff. That may quickly become something I decide to replace. We'll see though. We haven't even had it off this table yet, so time will tell on that, but I'm kind of suspicious that those are just going to catch on stuff. Tires. I replaced the foam in the tires already. I put in the backup set of foams that I keep on hand in here because they are infinitely softer than the stock foams that come in this truck. And then I also sealed the vents on the tires, so they're nice and soft now. Inside the truck is really what people are interested in. I don't have any experience with the Axe system by Hobbywing, but the little bit of playing around that I've done here on the bench with it, testing, I am pretty impressed already. And I haven't even had it out on the trail. It comes with a Reefs brand steering servo. That's pretty impressive. Can't wait to see how that does out on the trail also. One of my favorite parts of the electronics though, this Axe speed controller lets your phone talk to it. You download an app onto your phone, and then when the system is powered up, you can connect your phone right to it. You can make changes on the fly, in the moment, while you're trailing, to change how the truck performs, or how you can change any feature you want on there. That is pretty awesome. I'll probably make a separate entire video just on using the app to make changes on the controller. The other thing on the inside here, I did have to go in and add a little bit of marine grease to the transfer case. When I got it out of the box and you rolled it, it sounded like something didn't have enough grease on it. I pulled the battery tray out. Once you pull that battery tray out, everything is exposed and easily accessible, and it felt very intuitive to get to what I needed to get to. So thumbs up to the engineers there at Redcat, good job. So I added more grease to the transfer case, and that took care of the issue. So I thought, while I had it that far apart, might as well take a look at the transmission. So I pulled the covers off that. Everything looked good in there. I think it had a decent amount of grease, so that one was fine. But easy to work on. I'm excited that this is part of the stable now. My wife's excited. Can't wait to get this out and do some trailing with it, make some videos for you guys. Now we got even more things to play with and shoot videos of. So that's awesome. Gonna have lots of fresh fodder for my Instagram account now for sure. Now that I got 3 trucks to be taking pictures of. If you're on Instagram and you don't follow me, go check that out at TJsRC. Post lots of pics of these trucks. We're definitely gonna have some more content coming about this truck. I'm sure there will be upgrades down the road for sure, and we'll get those on video to share with you guys. So with that, you guys are awesome. Thanks for being here. This is TJsRC, and we will see you in the next video.